Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2017 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.